Hi, welcome back to freesciencelessons.co.uk. By the end of this video, you should be able to describe how heat can be transferred by infrared radiation. You should also be able to describe how different coloured surfaces emit or absorb different amounts of heat by infrared radiation. This shows you an image of a woman taken with an infrared camera. Infrared radiation is a bit like light, except we can't see it with the human eye, but we can see it with special cameras. Warm objects can lose heat by infrared radiation, and that includes humans. We can see that in this picture. The warm parts of this woman's face, such as her forehead, are releasing a lot of infrared radiation, and they appear lighter coloured. Her nose is cool, and you can see that it's releasing less infrared radiation, so it appears darker. This is what you need to learn. Warm objects lose heat by emitting infrared radiation, and hotter objects emit more infrared radiation than cooler objects. So how does the colour of a surface affect the amount of infrared radiation it emits? Well, dark matte surfaces are very good emitters of infrared radiation. The word matte means not shiny, so this polo shirt is dark and matte, and that means that it will emit a lot of infrared radiation. Dark and matte surfaces are also really good absorbers of infrared radiation. So if you go out in the sun wearing a black shirt, you'll start to feel really hot as you absorb infrared radiation from the sun. You can see that here with these penguins. The penguins are pointing their backs at the sun, and because their backs are black, they absorb more infrared radiation, which keeps them warm. Light or shiny surfaces are not good at emitting infrared radiation, and you can see that here. This coffee cup is white, so it emits less infrared, helping to keep the coffee hot. This person's keeping warm with a foil blanket because the shiny surface won't allow heat to escape from her body by infrared. And this food is kept hot in a foil case because it's shiny, so it won't lose heat by infrared. Shiny surfaces don't absorb infrared either, and you can see that here. This space probe is covered with foil which doesn't absorb infrared heat from the sun. In fact, foil simply reflects infrared heat back. Okay, so hopefully now you can describe how heat can be transferred by infrared radiation, and you should be able to describe how different coloured surfaces emit or absorb different amounts of heat by infrared radiation.